The Chicago Bulls are tied with the Oklahoma City Thunder for the best record in the NBA coming into their matchup with the Boston Celtics, and it helps when you get that man back, the MVP, Derrick Rose. Tom Thibodeau has never won in Boston as a head coach, but now watching Joakim Noah open, and Derrick Rose finds an easy dunk there, 10 points, 12 boards. That's a double-double. Later in the first quarter, Carlos Boozer. Watch this nice little fundamental play. Ball fake, that's good. Then open for the elbow J, that's good as well. 12 points and 8 boards. Chicago up by 10. They're doing well. How about Boston? How are they doing? Ray Allen? Well, he's missing, and that's rare. Later, Kevin Garnett in the post. That was pretty easy. Now he misses that as well. And Rajon Rondo, nice little hesitation move, drives and misses. Boston shot 31.6% from the field in the first half. Later in the second quarter, John Lucas III, yeah, the hero from their last game, finds Luol Deng outside with the jump shot. Deng had 21 points on the night. Chicago up 28-13 to Derrick Rose. With passes blocked, he gets it back and he throws it down with authority. He was 9 of 21 from the field. Chicago up 50-31 at that point, up by 19. Celtics start to mount a comeback in the third quarter. It's Rondo looking and finding Ray Allen with an easy little layup there. He had 16 points. Chicago's lead down to 13 from up at 19. Later, Ray Allen up ahead to Rondo. That's easy as well. Defense leads to offense. 14 points, 11 assists for Rondo on the night. Then it's Ray Allen for a jump shot. He fakes it, gives it in to Jermaine O'Neal. Fakes everybody. O'Neal jams the lead down to 8. And Paul Pierce out to Michael Petras, who splashes home that three-pointer. So at once, a 20-point lead cut down to 1. Who do the Bulls turn to? His name is Derrick Rose. Derrick Rose knocks down a three-pointer. He had 25.7 assists and one spectacular no-look layup. Watch him again underneath the basket. Use the English, Rose. He gets the layup. It goes, and Chicago goes into Boston and wins it by 9. Final score, 88-79.